I get so many compliments on it everywhere that I go. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to one of my absolute favorite videos, not only to watch, but to film. Today I'm gonna be showing you what's in my bag. And this is my Prada Nylon Re Edition 2005 bag. I will have this linked down below. I got this for my birthday, so I've had it since April. I have some thoughts. I thought I'd share it with you, show you what's inside, and kind of do a little review. So let's start unpacking. So the bag here that I have actually has the chain to be used as a shoulder strap. Didn't think I would like having this. I wasn't a fan of how that looked for some reason. And now I love it. I don't know how that, like what in my mind changed, but I really like it. I like that you have that option, but my favorite is that you have the option to wear it crossbody. And you have this little pouch here. One thing when I was deciding to buy this bag that was a little bit of a deterrent was the reviews that I had seen over time. People's bag had started to sag, and I did not like how that looked. And I knew there's no way I'm not gonna like overstuff this bag. A hair tie here. So I needed a solution. Thankfully, I went on Etsy and somebody was creating inserts for all different types of bags, and I found an insert for this bag. So you can't see it because it's black. I'll pull it out and show you, but I do have an insert in here, and that's to protect the structure of the bag. I have it in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull as well, just because I want to preserve, again, the structural integrity of the bag, and I want to keep it forever. With the insert, you do lose a little bit of space. That is one thing to note, but it is worth it. This is everything that I have inside. It's very stuffed. So you shouldn't buy this bag if you're the type of person that needs to bring everything with you. You really have to pare down, especially if you're gonna have the insert. So as you can see, I actually keep my phone on the outside of the insert just because I find it's easier to grab. So my phone fits in there. This is a 13 Pro, so it's a smaller one, but it fits easily in there. Now my big wallet does not fit, so I have to switch it out if I'm gonna use this bag to this Kate Spade card case, which I've had for years and years and years. I really like this because it has a center zip part, and that's where I keep my license and my health card. I'm not afraid anything's gonna slip out. Nothing has slipped out, but it's always in the back of my mind. Next up, I also keep my AirPods in here. Very happy that they fit in this bag because I use them every so often. I like to sometimes go grocery shopping with them in. It's just nice to be able to keep on you. You could put your AirPods, I guess, in this little pouch. I don't do that, but it is an option. I also have some Advil. So as small as it is, it does fit quite a bit, but you're not gonna fit like tons and tons of things. Like I couldn't bring a pair of socks. I know that sounds weird, but if you wanted to bring a pair of socks or something that have to be like really thin, you know, maybe like little no-shows. Then I have my lipstick. I don't mind having these loose in the bag. Usually I have a little pouch. The pouch would not fit, but I don't mind because I have the insert that's protecting the lining on the inside. This is the Makeup Forever Endless Cacao lip liner. It's my favorite. Then I just have this L'Oreal Fairest Nude. These are like my go-to, so I'm just showing you. It's a really pretty color, almost out. And then as a topper, I just have this Essence Extreme Shine pink gloss. I have a pen in here. And then I think I have a quarter. So that's all that, really that's as much as you could probably squeeze in there. I'm gonna take the pouch out so you can see what it looks like. Okay, you can order this, it's a little bit dirty, in any color that you want. and it's hard to see. Oh, I have some change in here, but there are little compartments. I typically throw change in there, or like a receipt. Walter, it's pretty small and compact, but it works great. You do, again, get a little bit more space if you don't have it, but then it becomes a lot flimsier. In this little section, I actually like to keep, that's where I keep my change, because I don't have a space for a change purse, or I think I have some earrings in here. I keep change, and then I keep important receipts. There's a method to my madness. If I think I'm gonna return something and I wanna keep the receipt, I put them in there, and then every so often I'll take it out. But I like to keep the receipts in there because it kind of puffs this up. It doesn't look like deflated. I don't know, in my mind it looks better. Just to put the insert back in, it is a little bit of a tight squeeze, but you just have to slide it. Sorry, it's black on black, so it's kind of hard to see. Slide it back in, and then you open the pouch, and there you go. And the structure is now nice and square. The bottom is flat. I also try not to store it being hung always. Like, I try to keep it sitting so that there's not a lot of weight being put on the bottom. Those are just my tips on how to preserve your bag, because ultimately, you know, these bags aren't cheap and I want to be able to pass them down. I want to have them forever. So I try to do my best to keep them, you know, preserved as much as possible. That is everything in the bag. As for the bag itself, I really do like it. The downside is you can't fit a ton of stuff in here. So if I want to bring my camera, it's not gonna fit in here. Pretty much what you saw in my bag, that's it. I really like the fact that this is nylon and you can wash this. Like, just before I started filming, I noticed that there was something on here. I just took a little microfiber cloth with some warm water, wiped it, and it was gone. I'm not worried about it. And as much as I love the one with the black shoulder strap, and that was the one I really wanted, I don't regret getting the crossbody because I wear it like this like 90% of the time. The only time I'll ever, you know, take it off and wear it with just the little shoulder strap is maybe if I'm going out to dinner, like a really cute look, then I will. You can totally remove it. I would like to still find a black leather strap, but for now, I think this is great. It is such an adorable bag. Right now, it's my favorite bag, and I get so many compliments on it everywhere that I go. I just love it. Thank you so much for watching. I will have the insert link down below. I'll have this bag link down below, and I'll try to find something that's pretty comparable to this wallet down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another one. Bye.